seat to sit on. Do you want me to get that chair?
Like in the morning.
I see a pink jacket for you. Cooley, the strawberry's back.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, we've been going on the vintage vehicle section there over at the, I would say, the west side of the arena. The classes have been going on there this morning, being judged as well. I'll run through, there's some